Hey you. Yeah, you. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Vincent D. Carr. The other cars call me Vince. I live here at Crown Auto Sales and Leasing. Let me get straight to the point. We love it here at Crown. They take real good care of us here. They make sure we look good and run real good. They pamper us. They spoil us. From day one, they treated us like one of their own. They care for us when we're sick and make sure we're in tip-top shape for you. Everybody at Crown is really nice and honest, especially Mrs. Jackson, bless her heart. We're like one great big family here. So to be honest with you, and I speak for all of my cars, trucks, and SUV buddies here, we never want to leave. Yeah, I said it. We can stay here forever. So remember that the next time you think about buying a pre-owned vehicle, Crown Auto Sales and Leasing is my family. We never had it so good.